Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the bake burner tube in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket or towel. Remove the oven racks. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 rear mounting screws, securing the bottom panel. Lift the panel up from the back to remove. Next, unthread the front and rear screws, securing the bake burner tube. Lift up the tube and disconnect the spark electrode wire to fully remove the old burner tube. Be careful not to let the electrode wire slip under the lower panel. Before you install the new bake burner tube, confirm that the air shutter is open the same amount as the old shutter. Now transfer the spark electrode from the old tube to the new one. Thread the screws to hold it in place. Returning to the oven, connect the wire to the spark electrode. Position the burner tube over the orifice. Then thread the front and rear screws to secure. Reinstall the bottom oven panel by aligning the front edge first. Then lower the panel and thread the mounting screws. Replace the oven racks. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.